This video, I'll show you how to create a drawing on Fusion 360 so that you could manufacture your part using conventional tools from a design on Fusion. First thing you're going to do is switch workspaces by going to File and New Drawing from Design. We're going to take Full Assembly, and we're going to make our sheets keep just all the default settings here. You can change your size of paper you're drawing on and several other things in here as well. It might take some time to load, especially on the laptops, but eventually you will get it to open, and it'll look something like this. Oh, I'm running my, yeah, okay, here we go. There we go. All right, so I'm going to go to, first this is the view that's showing up for me here. I could fit a lot of views of this with something this size, so I'm going to scale it up, and I think I can make it 1-to-1 scale. So I'm going to go 1-to-1, and let's see if that is going to look good on here. I'm going to click once, I'm going to start down here. And then I am going to say OK for this first view. Keep it simple. Now you can see all of my holes are already in here as well. All the dotted lines of where the holes would be. You can see through the object from the side. This is not the most interesting view though, so I'm going to create a projected view now. Projected view is right here, create projected view. And a projected view is a view from another view. And if I click on it once and then move my mouse up, I'm going to see a view from that angle right there. And I think I can also fit in, struggling, there we go, an end view as well. Now if your first view wasn't in the right spot, you could move it around as well, and things will adjust to show you what the end view and the top view looks like, and you can get it to look like that. I want you to add 5 dimensions to this drawing, whatever you think are the most relevant dimensions. So I'm going to go, just like in the normal view, you can use shortcut D or click dimension, and I'm going to click on this edge and pull it out, make that 1 inch. I'm going to grab the full side here, 8 inches, full side here, 3 inches, and the side of this pocket here, 2.1 inches. I don't know why I didn't dimension that to be something normal, I guess. And then maybe we'll get the spacing between these two holes as 0.5 inches, and we'll get the diameter of the hole there, and maybe the distance of this line of holes from the end over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all I'm asking for, but of course it'd be great to see lots more things if you would like to. We can say the distance between those 2 points is the depth of that hole, 0.8 inches over there. All right, that is how you create a drawing. To turn this in, you could just screenshot it, or you can export a PDF. But I think for the purposes of this assignment, it would be easier if you just take a screenshot of it and turn it in the assignment. All right, there you go.